I'll talk about AI for birds. So AI for birds is another real-world application through the form of a project that I created through my nonprofit. And this is the website, aiforbirds.com. It's basically a bird recognition phone app and web app. This is the web app version. It's also available on the phone app store. It's just AI for birds. So with this, when we click Start Now, you can click on any of these sample bird images or just upload any picture of a bird and it'll recognize the name of the bird. So along with that, I also wrote 2 blogs. The first blog, which is this link, it basically explains the importance of birds and our environment and the journey of creating the Power BI visuals. And the second blog is actually a tutorial of how I created the app, Power BI visuals, and through Power Apps. So if you're thinking of going more, if you're interested in learning more about the process of how I created this app and with the custom vision AI, then I created this step-by-step tutorial, which you can follow along, and it's easy to understand. So yeah. Along with that, I have 2 interactive visualizations of bird species. So this is the first one. It just shows that the global trends of bird species survival in all geographical realms is actually decreasing, unfortunately. So with this second one, I have information of 448 bird species in this visualization. So it's also interactive, which is fun. Like we can click on an endangered status category, and with that, we have the list of bird species in this data set which are endangered. And we can click on one of them, let's say the African gray parrot. As we can see, we can see all these interesting attributes along with where it's found in the world, the top country it's found, and even a fun fact down below. And we can do this with any of these bird species. So this is just another example of a real-world application of how AI and BI, which is through Power BI, can be used to ignite a passion and understanding for birds in the environment. So this is just another way that you can implement AI in the real world.